Have you ever wondered why some STL files that end up painted or downloaded 3MF files end up with jagged, not smooth lines and surfaces? Well, this video is for you. Looking at the Togi Maru, which is a design by Color Cloud 3D, we have two different versions. One that was painted by parts and one that was painted using the paint bucket tool, resulting in very different finishes. If the surfaces have been meshed and combined together or remeshed into one mesh, then you will not be able to do this. So I'm going to show you how to split the model into parts and then assign those parts to colors. So by right-clicking the model and choosing split into parts, not objects, we see from the inspector window on the left-hand side all of the individual parts of the model. By clicking on the keyboard, the color assignment in the window, we can assign colors to an entire object without having to use the paint tools. This is extremely helpful because when printing, the layers are going to begin with the objects at the top of the list, or should I say the parts at the top of the list. So we run into an issue though, if all we do is split into parts and color those parts. You'll see when I scrolled through the layers, they were on the outside of the head. They are not embedded inside of the head of the Togi Maru. So by changing the order of the parts in the list, you'll see you get very different results when slicing your model. So as I slice this here, you'll notice each side of the head's eyes are much different. One side is printed at the top of the order in a layer, and the other is the very last thing to be considered when printing by layer. The one that I dragged to the bottom of the list is the one that is fully embedded inside the head. Now, another demonstration is I'll show you, even though I've assigned by parts the colors for the white and the black through the inspector window, I just used the paint bucket tool to paint those eyes. If for whatever reason your model you felt as though it required that, you'll notice it completely negates the color by parts assignment you made in the window. If you found this video tutorial helpful, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. It helps me to make more videos like this. And if you'd like to see some of my models, you can support me over on Patreon at ColorCloud 3D. Thank you.